astronauts, this is a special day. This is my last day in Humboldt County, California. I feel like I've been here for like a month straight. It really feels like I'm at that point where I've like overstayed my welcome. I just feel like I have been here way too long, so it's time to get going. Here today we are going to clean. I'm at the laundromat right now. Gonna do my laundry, clean the entire van, take it to a car wash, charge my solar panels, and I'm happy to bring you guys along. So let's get started. I've been having this big 40-pound bag of wood pellets in my van, just taking up space. So I got this. I'm gonna put one big scoop. This is enough to last for a while. I'm gonna put the rest on top in the roof bag, so I can get rid of this, because this is so annoying to deal with every single night, having to move it. No longer. It is so junky. I gotta vacuum all this up. I can just walk straight through here. The fridge used to be here, but I moved it out the way and put it right here. And I also moved the water from here to there, so my light switches will be unbothered. I gotta figure out how to throw that away at some point. Yo, so the coolest thing just happened. I was cleaning up the van and I had to put the dresser back in because there's no trash can or dumpster here that I can use. So I was like, oh man, I have to put it back in the van until I can find one. And then this guy who was cleaning out his car pulled up and was like, yo, he asked me about the solar panels and my jackery and stuff, and he saw Lars and he started playing with Lars. And yeah, we were talking and he told me that he used to live in his car, and he had like a 2-door sports car. And I was like, that does not sound fun. He was like, man, I was out there grinding. So like we just exchanged our stories about how we ended up doing that kind of stuff. And yeah, cool dude. And then I was like, yo, do you need like a dresser? And he was saying how he just got a spot and he doesn't have any furniture. So he was like, yeah, I'll take it. So I just gave it to him. So now I don't have to worry about trying to find anyone to throw it out. And it went to a good use. So, yo, Sam, if you see this, what's up, bro? It was nice to meet you. Definitely when I pass back through, let's go hike or grab a beer or something like that, man. But yeah, so yeah, guys, that was pretty much it. I cleaned up the van. It's still not perfect, but I'll get it when we get to the beach spot tomorrow. See you guys later. Peace. Closer to fall.
Hey, are you going to sing?
But it's not a song. It's my life.
Whenever you're ready.
All right, I'm Wallis Hayes. Sometimes people call me Wallis Blossom. That's my Instagram name. I'm gonna play some Jewel for you. And also want to give a shout out to Ancient Baby Music because they're awesome. And if you want to follow them on Instagram too, they're great.
And what's the name of this bus?
This is Cat Bus.
Cat Bus. I love it.
Studio Ghibli reference.
Yes.
Yeah.
My neighbor Totoro.
Yes, my neighbor Totoro. So it's Cat Bus. Call your mom while you're at it.
Oh yeah, don't forget to call your mom.
Yeah.
Hit me with some Jewel. My phone might run out of storage.
Okay,
I'm gonna let you know that.
All right. Okay. another cute, cheap thrill, you know you love him. If you put him in your will, who will save your souls when it comes to the flowers? Who will save your souls and those lies that you told, boy? It was a chalkboard, but it won't erase anymore.
It's been through too much.
Yeah, I need to repaint it.
All right, well, yeah. So much more space. I got rid of the dresser. I turned this into like a little, what are these called? I can't think of it, but under there is all of my stuff in storage bags. In the front, I have my pots and pans and my dry food because just being able to pull it out will make it so much easier to cook in here. Got Lars's wood pellets, the fridge. I put it in there. It used to be right there, but it made it super impossible to walk between the front and this door. So I can just slide that out. All my clothes are in there as well. It's just really nice now. There's my water, trash can, and all of Lars's stuff and his bag. It's perfect. I really think this is gonna make it like so much easier to cook and stuff like that. This took me all day. I was cleaning for probably like 6 hours because I was going really slow, trying to make sure everything was practical and accessible, because I've done a change up in the van so many times and then it just falls, like it just turns into chaos. But I really think I got it this time. Like having my small storage there, that's like my socks, my stuff that I use every morning, like my toothbrush, stuff like that. The power generator is right here. Lars's stuff. Coleman oven right here. And then everything just right there. I can just reach in there and pull it out. And my guitar used to be strapped behind here, and it made it like super tedious to grab it because I'd have to unhook it and it'll be like annoying, so I would just not play the guitar. But now I'm just gonna keep it on the bed while I'm like in day mode, and at night I'll just like put it in the driver's seat so I can always just grab it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was a lot of fun. Had a really productive day. Well, 2 days technically, but yeah, got it done. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time, Astronauts. Peace.